Si Kuya RK. May gulang shout out, Kuya RK. Thank you very much sa iyong tambay. Ayan. Halika, tara at the Milky Way upon the heavens is twinkling just for you. Alala, gusto ko lang kumanta. Why not ko na talk na? To sing that to good night to you. I sing for you, you sing for mother. Hindi ko marinig mahina? Mahina pala yung akin, ano? Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wide, but you build your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. If all the people around the world, they had a mind like yours, we have no fighting and no wars. There will be lasting peace on earth. Pasensya na kayo, wala tayong wala tayong audio. Wala lang, akapela lang talaga ako. Wala tayong this way. In the rounds, they would learn to watch you when... Ay, wait lang mahina ata yung ko. Ayan. The world's so high and you build your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. I'm gonna cover my sleeping child, keep you awake, no one, no one so wide. My sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you build your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. Kung meron lang tayo teka lang. The heart's so wild, but you build your own paradise. Paulanin natin, kanta lang tayo ng kanta. At magda-WH tayo. So, syempre, magda-WH tayo sa manangailangan ng WH. O, diba? Yun. Wait lang wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Wait lang mag-ano lang tayo. Paulanin natin ang paulanin natin ang kapaligiran. Ayan, o diba? Ngayon lang kasi tayo nag-camera, so ngayon lang talaga tayo aha. Ano yan, host? Mag-ano ka din? 10 hours ka rin? 10 years ka rin? Ngangangaw-ngaw, sabi niya. Hindi naman, pwede naman natin paanin natin yung yung ating